Hello everybody at home. Today at nursery we have been reading Bog Baby. We have been making our own Bog Babies at school. So if you can find socks and maybe in your kitchen you might have some rice, you can make your own Bog Baby at home. And it's pretty simple, so maybe you might want to get an adult to help you do this. So you can get your sock just like this, and then you can just fill it with some rice like that. Might be a little bit tricky. You'll have to make sure that your socks don't have any holes in, and then you'll have a nice squidgy sock there. You can get an adult to help you to tie a knot like that, and then we'll leave that end bit for my Bog Baby's tail. And I've cut out 2 hands earlier, so I'll stick those on with a bit of tape. 1, and this is 2 here. 1, 2 arms there. Managed to borrow some of our sticky eyes from Sel. Give him 1, 2 eyes, and there you go. There you have it, your own squishy Bog Baby, and you can try making one of those at home. You must look after it and take care of him and put him back where he lives when you're finished playing with him.
Today we're going to be making Bog Babies and we're going to be making Play-doh. So I'm going to come and ask Denise how we make Play-doh. So should we say hello to Denise?
Hello everyone.
Hi Denise.
Hi.
You're really good at making Play-doh, so do you think you could show us your recipe for Play-doh, and maybe that way the children can make it at home?
Yes, of course. You will need flour, you will need salt, and you will need some oil, vegetable oil if you have any, or olive oil, and food coloring. You can use any type of food coloring which is friendly. And then lastly, some cream of tartar as well, 2 tablespoons full. And for the mixing you need some hot water. There's 150 grams of flour. So put the flour in. And we'll need 75 grams of salt. Onto the flour. Then we'd need 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. So 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil carefully. So 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. 2. We need some color, so we chose blue. Considerable amount, and then we're gonna mix it all up with a wooden spoon. Have we got any? Yes. Mix it, mix it, mix it. We add 350 ml of hot water. 350 ml, but gently while we mix it into a paste. And here we go, it's coming up. So here we go, mix, mix, mix. And if it's too gooey or soft, add a bit more flour to it. So now we start the fun bit. We need the flour in, and the color has just come out really nice. Easy homemade Play-doh.
Thank you, Denise. That looks amazing. And don't forget, children, after you finish making your Play-Doh, please help your adults to tidy up the kitchen.
Yes, that's right.
This Play-Doh is ready to go, so I'm going to share it out into little balls, ready to make some Bog Babies. There's one. There's another one. Oh, that one. Make one more. Which one is bigger? This one. That one is big, and this one is the little one. That's going to be for a little Bog Baby. How many did I make? Should we count them together? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make a tiny, tiny little ball. How small can you get them? Look at that one. You can roll it in your fingers too, like that. That's a little baby one. You could make a giant one. Take a lot of Play-Doh and make a giant ball, a big, big ball, and roll it with your hands until it makes a nice sphere shape. That one is very heavy. So how many can you make with your Play-Doh? Here's an idea for the reception children. Can you halve your ball of Play-Doh? Can you halve it? That means half for me and half for you. And remember, both halves have to be the same size. Okay, they both have to be equal. Okay, so carefully halve it. That means break it into 2 parts, the same size. Should we check if these two are the same? They are both the same size. So half for me and half for you. Let's try that again, but this time with a long worm. Roll out the worm. There you go. Now let's halve it. So how about if I find the middle here and I break it apart like that? They are the same. So we halved the worm. 1 half for me, 1 half for you. So if you're having pizza for dinner, you could halve your pizza. Let me make a nice flat circle. Let's pretend that is my pizza. What do you like putting on your pizza? A little bit of cheese? A little bit of tomato? Shall we halve the pizza now? Carefully down the middle. 1 half for you and 1 half for me. Enjoy your pizza. I'm going to gather all this Play-Doh up and give it to Caitlin, and she's going to show us how to make a Bog Baby.